Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell. Today guys, I am going to be trying out 2 new products from the Madam by CJ Walker hair line. So the first product I am going to be trying is the Instant Repair Deep Conditioner. And the other product I am going to be trying is the Stretch and Define Curl Cream. But first, I do have to co-wash my hair. So that's what I'm going to do. I ended up purchasing a head wrap from the Melanin hair care line, and I really love this head wrap. It is so nice and soft, so if you haven't got one, you should really check it out because I really love this thing. Yesterday I detangled my hair. So before I get into this video, I just want to say that lately I've noticed that my hair has been changing, and not in a good way. Not in a good way. I feel like my hair is thin. It's not as thick as I want it to be, and I feel like something is wrong. So, and I've been trying to really just be careful with my hair, be very gentle when it comes to my hair. And my hair has never been like super thick either, but I just feel like something's just not right. How's everybody doing today? How have you guys been? Let me know. What have you guys been doing? You know, let me know. I have been feeling pretty good lately because of the springtime. Alright guys, I'm sorry if you can hear like a humming noise, but the heater is on and it is cold. So now I am going to move on to the deep conditioner. Oh my god, I cannot breathe out of this nostril. But this smells really good. And it's not like super thick, but it feels really nice and creamy. So since I have noticed a change in my hair, I figured this was a really great deep conditioner to use to help me strengthen my hair and reduce breakage. So I like the way this makes my hair feel. Alright guys, so I really love the way that my hair feels with the deep conditioner on it. I'm going to grab my heating cap and I'm going to allow this deep conditioner to sit on my head for 30 minutes. Alright y'all, so I just took the heating cap off. My my hair feels amazing. My hair is so nice and moisturized. My hair feels amazing. As I was rinsing off the conditioner, my hair felt so nice and moisturized. I love it. Alright y'all, so the last step, finally, I am so over it. I am really overdoing my hair right now. I am going to be doing a twist out, and I'm going to be using their Stretch and Define Curl Cream. Now, I do really need to focus on making my sections even and making my sections smaller since my hair is not that thick. I thought I can get away with doing bigger sections, but I think that it's just best if I try to do even small sections. Oh, now look what I did. This kind of smells similar to the deep conditioner. It's not a strong smell, it's not a sweet smell. This product is watery. It is not, I mean, it feels good. It feels really good, but this product has enough slip. I believe if my hair was like tangled, I would be able to detangle my hair with it. Ooh, I should try to use this product with a a wash and go. So they say that this cream is supposed to help elongate your curls, smooth your curls, and define your curls. Now, when I saw that, I was really excited because I love it when my curls stay elongated and defined.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
guys, I am all done. As you can tell, I don't know why I always say I'm all done. Like, of course I'm done. I wouldn't be. Anyways, so I really am in love with my hair. I love the amount of definition and shine. My hair looks amazing. I really love it so much. Now, I do have to find a way of slicking, like making my roots slick down, because as you guys can see, it is like there are hairs just like sticking up. My hair feels really nice and moisturized. It's nice and shiny. The definition is amazing. I will say that doing smaller sections, it really helped with the definition. So I really need to continue to take my time and do smaller sections. The only thing I will say is I don't have much volume on my hair, but I think over time the volume is gonna come. Usually with twist outs, you know, my hair is just like this. I'd have to create the volume anyway. But y'all, I love it. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think about my results? Do you guys like it? So has anybody tried out their curl cream, and did you do a twist out or a wash and go? I'm just so happy because my hair came out amazing, and I love it so much. I really do. I love my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate all of you guys for taking out your time to watch my video. Thank you guys so much. If you're not subscribed and you want to be, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below and give me a thumbs up, because that really helps me out. It lets me know that you guys actually enjoyed this video. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.